Greetings, 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 and welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel where every morning there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You ever wonder what you could have do to make God no pardon you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 8 to verse 12. Me a telling you say, anybody will make people know say them a me follower. The man where God pick will tell God angel them say them a him. But anybody will tell other people say them no know me and oh them are no me follower. Me a go do the said thing to them in front of God angel them. You see, if uno go say nothing bad about the man where God pick, uno can get pardon. But anybody will say wicked things against the Holy Spirit and claim say as somebody else do the work where the Holy Spirit do, them can't get pardon. When they carry uno before the Jew them church, the ruler them and the people them will have holy power for all send people go dead. No fret, oh, uno a go defend uno self. Or what uno fi say, or oh, uno fi say it. Cause the Holy Spirit will tell uno what fi say when that time they come. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.